Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can delete your computer's account. Since most people ends up deleting their computer's user accounts so badly that it sometimes harms your computer. So to delete your user account, simply start by opening Control Panel. Then after, as you can see, we have so many results, so let's at least increase the files view. Then after doing this, simply go on the last option called user account. Then after getting this results, you can see that in here you can use so many options of customizing your account, such as where you can rename your computer's username account. Here you can change your account type, and from here you can manage your account. So delete your account. Click on Manage Account. Then after getting this results, click on Add New User Account in Settings. After getting this results, you can see that here are the details of your account. So now let's delete this account that's beneath your usual account, so click on it. And now as you can see, this is where you can change your account's type and removing it. So if you click on changing your account's type, you will see that you can customize to either make your account administrator or not. So if you make it administrator, it will be the main account and it won't be deleted. So to delete your account, simply click on remove, and now as you can see, this is the final confirmation of deleting your account, and here says that your account will lose data and everything that's made or consisted with it. So now let's remove it permanently. So now as you can see, your account has been permanently deleted. Any place you can check properly, you will see that it's been deleted. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.